Is it a solar array also with where the inverter is going to be housed at?
So we got 430 watt solar panels that will pretty much fit directly on top of this roof perfectly. On top of the shed to collect solar. This is going to be right next door. We can run the wire straight into the inverter.
Two of the panels.
So yeah, those are the size of the solar panels. We're going to keep it right up there. These other two will remain for the EcoFlow to continue charging that, because even though our inverter can handle up to 1800 watts of solar input, I think the voltage is a little weird, but either way, we're going to end up getting more solar panels at the end of the day. Wow. What?
435 watt.
Now, mind you, we got these on sale. I think they were, what, $50 each?
Yeah. Okay, I feel like I need to add a little bit of an explanation. Because we have been off grid since we bought the property. The acres came with a well, so we just had it repiped because the piping was cheap and old. So we wanted to make sure everything was going to be good with the well. Also had a septic already on here on the property as well. We came with EcoFlow solar and EcoFlow suitcase panels. So we have been using solar and charging our solar batteries with a gas generator for almost a year in October. So we've been off grid, but it's been expensive because gas is not cheap, and when you don't have sun, you have to have something to charge your batteries. And when you don't have enough battery, then it's not gonna last very long. And we use a lot of watts because I work from home and the kids go to school from home as well. So we're always using power. Now, when the kids weren't here, we found out it's really them, it's really their fault, because I could spend 2 days straight without having to really worry about my power because I was using so few watts. So we decided it's time for us to stop spending so much in gas. And we went and bought this all-in-one inverter and this battery. Along with our EcoFlow, we should get, a good amount of, just back and forth, when one's charging, when the other one we're using pretty much. And then we just will add on to this system, add batteries, add panels, as we go. But this should be a good start for us to really minimize the amount of gas that we have to use. Plus, we're a lot more aware and a lot more educated on solar and what we're using right now and how to manipulate what we're using in order for things to last longer. Anything you want to add?
Oh yeah, this inverter can be stacked up to 8, so you get 96,000 watts of energy, which is like 2 4-bedroom houses.
So more than enough. But the inverters cost $5,000 a piece. So, and the battery that we got, a $1,500. Oh, they're $1,500 each.
Yeah.
And then the panels were $50 each, and we bought 5. And this was all from Santan Solar. Oh yeah, we got used panels.
And they work amazing.
They work
amazing.
way better than the suitcase panels that we had.
Yeah.
We had the suitcase panels because we thought we would be really needing that as we traveled and kind of boondocked on the land.
First,
Yeah.
And then, but now for a more permanent solution, these
Right.
work way better.
Now that we're a year in, it's time to, have some permanent solutions in and to start building off of that. And that's what we're doing now.